Happy New Year, you guys! I'm so glad to be back with my first video. And last year, I know that a lot of you guys struggled with finding a good UX UI job or worrying that you can't find one, or maybe not being happy in the one that you have. Over the holidays, a couple of my favorite design creators and I got together and we created this incredible design bundle for you. Now, this is a collection of courses and ebooks and other resources that have really been through the ringer by these design practitioners as they've leveled up their own careers and help people do the same thing every single day. So let me show you what's inside this bundle. So first up, we have my girl Femke's course. Now, she is the mastermind behind this bundle and came up with this genius and generous idea of putting us all together and creating this for you. So her course is part of this, and you get some practical lessons and exercises and access to all of these deep dives from industry leaders so that you can really drive strategic influence in the roles that you are in. That's things like product strategy, communicating, storytelling, influencing design culture. If you want to be a design leader and really push your career forward, this is an incredible opportunity to get into her course. Next up, we have another amazing course by the one and only Tommy Geoco. And this course is going to help you figure out how to make UX decisions really fast and really practically. This is loaded with lessons, and it's like a huge unlock for your brain to be able to see all of these UI patterns and checklists that you can just run through so that you know exactly what to do, how to put it on the screen, and why. There is a huge ebook in here, there's course assessments, and it's a bunch of theoretical and really practical knowledge that you can apply right away. If you're looking for a more beginner-friendly course that goes through the entire UX process, this is the one for you by Anfisa. Now, her approach are these amazing little bite-sized lessons that take you through everything from UX methods and secondary and primary research to creating a design brief and all of the stuff that you need to know as a beginner or junior entering the field. It also comes with access to her knowledge hub, the Figma templates, quizzes, and it's captioned in 8 languages. The next one is by yours truly. I have thrown in my entire product design workspace for Notion into this bundle. And this is something that I have honed over the past 10 years, and it has been downloaded thousands of times. And people absolutely love it because it has every single template a UX UI designer could possibly need. It has a section for your inspiration and design mood board, an entire UX research and design hub, guidance for information architecture and site maps, a whole section for a design system so that you can save your color palettes, typography, links to fonts, interactive prototypes. There's even a business and product roadmap section so you can build your business plan in there. And it looks like this. It's all of these connected databases. So when you need a persona, for example, you just pull it up here, duplicate this template, add in your information, and then it's connected to the parts like the user journey here. So this is going to save you an incredible amount of time digging through hard drives, Google Docs, and emails so that you can have everything in one place, not all over the place. Samaneh has created an amazing, not boring portfolio ebook, and this is for you junior UX designers that really want to build an outstanding portfolio. There are over 100 examples of really great portfolios here, and it's 7 chapters, nearly 300 pages, and it's showing you step-by-step how to make your portfolio fantastic. I think one of the hardest things about looking for a job is that you just go into this black hole with literally no idea how much time you're gonna have to spend doing this. But Joseph knows, and he has put it together in a 3-hour system. If you are looking to land your next UX job and you do not want to spend months upon months and apply for hundreds of design positions every day, then you need this job search system. It is a proven system that actually works. And as he's told me, people hire people, not resumes, not portfolios, not job applications. So he has got this down to an art and a science that you can learn. Now, if you noticed any of those prices, you would see that if you were to buy all of these separately, it would cost you $1,600. But we put all of this together and are giving it away for under $300. Yes, just one of these courses would cost that much. So use the link right here or click it in the description. This entire bundle goes away on January 16th, so you only have a few more days to unlock it. It's lifetime access, and I promise you it will bring you so much value in your career for years to come. I'll see you in the bundle.